13 million for Bitcoin by 2045, I should say. Pretty bullish outlook for Michael Saylor. What's your outlook when it comes to Bitcoin? Does it really have that kind of trajectory just to keep going up and to the right?
Well, Michael is very well known for making a big assumption, and it has served him well so far. At CoinShares, we are not in the business of providing market price advice, but we thinking it's going higher and much higher than where it is right now. So, we are definitely on the right track, but we're not going to go out with like Michael Saylor projection.
Okay. As we've seen Bitcoin move higher, how have we seen flows move? Are we seeing more people invest in these Bitcoin ETFs, or are they actually holding the digital asset itself?
Yeah, the Bitcoin ETF is like having a tremendous start, especially in the US since the beginning of the year. We are right now entering the 12 weeks in a row of cumulative net flow in the Bitcoin ETF sector. I think the last time we went that far in terms of net flow, in terms of consequential week, it was in 2021 where we had 15 weeks. So there was no Bitcoin US ETF at the time, so we'll see where we go from there. But definitely the Trump administration coming up in January or February is nourishing a lot of hope.
All right. Some of the ETFs that you have under your purview, they include the Bitcoin Miners ETF, ticker WGMI, of course, the Spot Bitcoin ETF, ticker BRRR, and then the Dual Bitcoin Ether Futures. Now, this one I thought was pretty interesting. We don't talk as much about Ether recently. There's a lot of focus on Bitcoin. Ticker for this one's BTF. When you're investing in this, exactly what are you investing in?
You're investing in the mix of, it's a basket, it's a mix of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you're not investing just in Bitcoin or just in ETH, you're betting on the fact that you want to get a diversified exposure between Bitcoin and ETH.
All right, so if you invest in this, you're getting kind of a combination of both. When we're looking at Ethereum, I'm sorry?
No, that's correct.
Okay, we're looking at Ethereum. Do you expect it to also see such a bullish run like we've seen with Bitcoin? There's so much excitement about cryptocurrency, but it seems mostly, the majority of it focused on Bitcoin. Do you expect Ethereum, Solana, these other coins to also see a rally as we look into 2025?
Well, we need to step back a little bit and understand what's happening in the US. The US has been deprived of investment products in crypto specifically since 2014 when the first application came in. What's happened now is like Bitcoin took the biggest share or the lion's share. It was the first approved to the market. The SEC until now has been very reticent to approve anything else. They surprisingly approved Ethereum faster than we expected. However, it is an incomplete approval because Ethereum is coming without the staking component, and as a result, CoinShares took the decision not to list an Ethereum product because it was a disservice to the market not to be able to represent ETH and its staking component. And in terms of education of the market, it's important to understand what we are listing. And I think when the product's sophisticated and the SEC start giving more room for issuer to issue the coins properly, like Ethereum with staking, Solana with staking, we're going to see more activity around investor demand for this coin as well.
Before we let you go, Jean-Marie, can I just ask you about MicroStrategy? One of the largest holders of Bitcoin. In your mind, when you look at that stock, is that also a way to play Bitcoin, or in your mind, is it something different?
No, it's a refinery for Bitcoin. Like people are buying different things. Whether you buy the equity stock or you buy Bitcoin. If you're a bond holder, you buy the convert. If you want to leverage yourself, you buy the option. So there is a bit of everything for everybody in the MicroStrategy play, and it really depends what you're looking for.